Randy here with Retire with Options. It is June 9th, and I'm just going to catch you up on what's been going on with my portfolio. It's been a really crazy couple of days with the markets just going through the roof. So, yesterday I sold this 3M put, sold an NVIDIA put, an Apple put, MasterCard. I bought my Tesla back for $2.99 and resold it for $16.95. I sold a big block of AT&T, and I put it right at the money. I actually want to just kind of make this a place to hold some cash for a while with its nice dividend, because it's sitting out there as cash, and the broker pays a little bit, but not as much as the AT&T dividend. So I swapped out my Amazon. I bought it back for $1.64. Sold the next one for $13.37. And Apple's been on such a tear. I just started selling. These are just gimme puts, because there's no way that they're gonna not expire worthless. So I just started racking them up because I actually want to buy some Apple, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. So this was the end of the day, so almost a $2,000 day for me. And like I say, Apple's having this great run up nearly $10 today. Unfortunately, I got a 325 call out there on it, which will take that away from me next month, or next week, I think, on the 20th. So that's why I'm putting all these puts out there, so I can get some Apple back in here. And like I say, I rolled out my Amazon. Facebook has been out there, and it's about time for me to roll it over. It's actually getting pretty cheap in that put. MasterCard is the same thing. I should probably do that tomorrow. 3M, yeah, that one's done. This 3M, yeah, it's hanging in there. Microsoft, it's slowly starting to work down. I had to roll this a week or so ago, but now it's decaying like it's supposed to. NVIDIA, it's going down okay. It didn't go down as fast as I thought it would. So maybe in a couple of days I'll roll that one out. Or let's see, the 20th is going to be right around the corner, so it's probably going to start really decaying fast. These AT&T puts are completely worthless. This is the block that I was saying earlier that I'm going to try to roll into. So it's kind of negative on me right now, but that's okay. That's what I wanted it to do. A Tesla here that I sold for $16.93. In like 2 days, it's already down to $9.20. Just making a heck of a profit. And June 12th, Visa put. Yeah, it's about time for me to roll that one too. Guys, this is how it works. So you just pick these good stocks, and you put them out there and let time decay. Just drop this change into your purse and just keep repeating it over and over. That's all I do. I keep getting questions on how do you pick them, or just pick something that you don't mind owning if you need to own it. These good names, they're going up like crazy right now. Just don't over leverage yourself, and you'll do fine. So if you like what you're seeing, just subscribe and click the like button, and ask questions out in the comments. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Thanks for coming by. I'll talk to you later.